What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and of course, we're back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Today, we'll be unboxing the women's exclusive Air Jordan 4 Metallic Gold. And on the top, it's a pull-off top. That's what your size tag should look like. It's wrapped in this clear paper with the gold Jumpmans all over it. It's like scattered all over.
Swole on them, show your goal on them. I'm big bro on them, nigga, big bro. I'm big bro on these bitches, all my diamonds bustin'. Hit the slab, make it back, end of discussion. Breaking down galactic runts, I eat racks for lunch. Got that by the yeah, it could pack a punch. My mama used to cut my hair, yeah, that was real funny. But now they swinging at the air, bitch, I got real money. But how you claim to be my partner and you steal from me? So how you got it out the mud with Rick deal money? Them lows on.
This is what they look like. So it's all leather, off-white uppers. Got the gold eyelets. Actually, like I just saw this on the inside of the shoe. It's like fur on the inside. Got the gold and white Air Jordan on the inside. On the tongue, it's not embroidered, it's like a branded Jumpman on the tongue because it's all leather. So they like branded it on there. Of course, you got the Jumpman on the back. It's a sail color, and it's also the same sail color that's on the bottom of the shoe, on the outsole. So it's like small, minute details, but I think it makes a difference. Again, this is another look of the shoe. They'll be releasing March 9th. It's a women's exclusive. It's not coming in preschool or toddler, so just women's sizes. This is the second metallic gold women's release. They just released the Jordan 1 highs in women's. So we also have a video on these as well. So be sure to check those out. So what do y'all think? Would y'all cop these? I said I like the shoe and I would cop them, but would y'all cop them? If you already copped the Jordan 1 highs, would you turn around and cop these metallic gold 4s? Do y'all think it's similar to the off-white 4s? So this is another edition of the metallic Jordan 4 series. Back in 2020, they started releasing the metallic series in 4s. They had the purple, the green, the orange metallic shoes. So this is just the other addition to that. Overall, I actually really like this shoe. Also, it's kind of similar to the off-white Jordan 4. So this is more in your tax bracket and you can't pay $2,000. I definitely would get these. You could also customize them if you want them to look just like them. But I think they look pretty dope just by itself. Once again, they're releasing March 9th. So if you get a chance to cop these, I definitely would. I actually like the off-white color with the sail color and the metallic gold. I think they all work together. It's not like a super drastic shoe, if you get what I'm saying. It's like real basic, cute, and like just minute small details that make a lot of a difference. I copped the Jordan 1 highs, so I definitely am gonna cop the metallic gold 4s. I just like the metallic gold and the white and the off-white color. So y'all, let me know in the comments, do y'all think that this shoe should be like more of a men's exclusive shoe? Do you think more men would want to cop these, being that they're priced as a men's shoe? Ladies, would y'all even cop these? This has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just be more interactive with our videos. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We out.